We're just sitting here at the pool. As you can see, we have some guests. Yeah. There's no food here. Look how close he is to me. Not scared at all. I got no food for you, pal.
I do.
No, don't. Then they won't leave us alone. Trust me, other people feed them. Let them feed them. Hey, don't you touch that lizard.
Yeah.
Hey, you're eating those lizard eggs. Get away from there. Hey.
Oh my God. They're fun. I meant that.
Dude, I got nothing for you.
I do.
Now stop scaring the lizard. He's my buddy. There's no food over here. Get out. Go.
Dad.
I don't want them snipping at me, dude.
They're my friends.
Oh, you don't like the lizard?